Hey guys, Brazilian Hotdog 724 here. We're back in my room today looking at my remotes, and I have a new addition to my collection. But before I show it to you guys, this video is a shout out to LiftMaster1280, who is the one that sent it to me. So, thanks for sending that to me. Anyway, so, you know what the heck, I'll show you guys. Here. You can see here is the front of it, and the back. I'm gonna cover with the model number for a sec. So we have a 9 there, and there's the model number, 940T. This is an awesome keypad. These are super hard to find. Okay, anyways, after interruption number 2, here's the inside of the keypad. All the instructions here. One thing that I'm surprised about is that the lights on this are actually yellow. You can't see it very well there. It's a little bit darker here. Oops. There you see, the lights are yellow. Yeah, and then it works. When I got this, a couple things about it. I think they painted over it because you can see there on the case, and the case feels pretty rough, but I think they painted over this for one. And 2, I'm gonna have to pop the battery cover open here. See if I can do this with one hand. There we go. You probably won't be able to see it very well, but so, when I originally got it, I think the reason it sold actually is because one of these, things for the batteries was broken off, and I don't know how well you can see in there. I have a little piece of wire that I shoved into the little hole that was there, and then luckily it's a pretty tight enough fit that it'll stay on the battery, and it works. But to be honest, I really haven't, this is the first good eBay listing that I've seen for a while, and I didn't even find it myself. I haven't really been looking at eBay as much as I wish that I have been, so I don't know. I haven't really been looking at eBay, so also next week I may be getting a couple other stuff for my collection. We'll see. But that's all I have for you guys today, so check back on Saturday, tomorrow that would be, and subscribe to the channel.